Welcome to a new episode of SimplyPHY, a short video series on all the interesting research work done here at Raman Research Institute. I'm sure we have all seen and played with clay. But do you know the interesting ways in which it dries? Let us hear from scientists here to find out about that.
Clay ages as the drying happens, which means the internal structures of clay, they develop even as the solvent loss due to desiccation or due to drying is going on, and that gives rise to very interesting drying behavior.
How we wanted to do experiments in a controlled environment where the temperature and humidities are maintained constant, so that we have more control. So we have a temperature and a heating element, and then heating element goes on and off based on what is the temperature in the chamber. We also placed these saturated salt solutions. These saturated salt solutions are used to maintain constant humidity. In this case, we are also measuring the weight of the sample as a function of time. So inside we have also used a load cell which is used to measure the weight, and this whole setup was made with the help of mechanical engineering services at RRI. We found that the crack onset time, which is the time when the first crack formed, that is inversely proportional to the square root of sample elasticity, as well as it is inversely proportional to the evaporation rate of the sample.
So we see that the cracks first develop at the walls, and then they kind of proceed along the walls before these longer radial cracks, they originate towards the end of the experiment. These kinds of relations that we found, they are also very, very useful in formulating crack resistant materials such as coatings and paints.